Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to give a tour of my study room. So this is the door. I'm gonna open it, and after opening it you can see my study room. First I go to here you can see the physics corner where every physics book is kept under this page. After that, if I say about maths corner, one of my favorite subjects, and there is a maths corner, every math book is kept under it. And after that, here is everything, but in the next video I'll discuss about everything about it. And there is some of copies of maths and physics and some of computer science. I'm also going to share you one of my best computer science book that you can use, you can read it to know about Python and different programming languages. And now, as in the study tour, I'm going to show you some pictures what I attached. So there is a one picture, one of my favorite character, Dragon Ball Z Goku, and everything will be all right. And there is a Lord Shiva, one of my god whom I like most. So there is everything all right, and I think you like it. And this is a compact room. I think also my sound is like echoing, as this room is a compact version. And some of integration formulas here, you can take a look at it and check out, or also take a screenshot from it to know more about it. Then see, there are some of my books which I read. There is a one mysterious book, but I'm not going to show you this today, in the next day. So I think you will be see it very clearly. There is a one my drawing supplies above, and the most important thing is this whiteboard. Take a look at it. So this whiteboard, I think you guys are know that what is it for. This is for my study videos which I make on physics, on mathematics, but later I'm also wanted to add computer science in it to show you different Python programmings on this. But don't worry, this is now for physics and mathematics, and it's kept good here. After this video, this is gonna be in the next room where I make videos, and if possible then I also can make videos on the next room where I make my study videos. So here is one of my tripod in which I make videos. So at the last of this video, I'm going to show you a moment with a full circular view of my room. There is lot of work need to be done right now, means I need to color it with some yellow, some best drawings I need to attach here. Gradually, slowly I attached so many things in this study room to make it the best room for study. Means whoever you are, you can study here. When you get into it, you have that motivation. When you enter into this room, you get that motivation to study hard. So that's why I'm gonna make this the best one, which I think anyone guys like that. So that is why keep watching, subscribe my channel, those who are new in my channel, and also wait for next videos, as due to some of my exams I'm not continue with my videos till now, but from the next day I'm trying to give videos as I'm free now little bit about, though there is some of exams later in May and June. So that's why don't worry, you will get videos on physics. Keep watching, subscribe my channel, like this video, and also comment below for this study room. What do you think about it? Let me know.